Hello everyone, my name is Saiba Rafiq Sheikh. Today I am going to explain my PPT of major project. Our group number is 4. My guide name is Arvind Mishra sir. In my group, there are two others member, uh, Shravani Gavkar and Anu Singh. Here are my project topic. First, voice control home automation. Second, air and sound pollution monitoring system. Third, home automation using RF remote, Zigbee based gas and fire detection system. Fifth, IoT based home automation. This is my parameters and their subparameters of project. First is cost, second is timely completion, third is resource availability, fourth is knowledge impact, fifth is social aspect. Next slide is going to explain by Shravani.
Hello everyone, myself Shravani Gavkar. Here I'm explaining the first topic of major project, voice control home automation. There are parameters of this project. First is cost. Cost of components is 3,500. Training of cost is 3,000. Fabrication is 1,000. Survey is 0 because we do online. That's why given 0. Mentoring 0. Report preparation 3,000, publication and presentation 1,000, PCB costing 500, total is 3. Second is timely completion, time to learn new technology 0 because we need so much time, that's why given 0. Time for sourcing the components 1, external dependency 1, time for sourcing tool 1, time for survey field testing 1, total is 4. Third is resource availability, mentor availability 1, literature availability 0, components availability 1, software hardware tools 0, training is 1, total is 3. Fourth is knowledge impact. There is use of 8051, that's why given 0. Protocol implementation Wi-Fi Zigbee, there is a use of protocol, that's why given 1. App develop, this project is develop app, that's why given 1. Interdisciplinary 0. IoT, robotics, AL, ML, blockchain, image processing 1. Total Total is 4. Fifth is social aspects. Easy in operation. This project is easy to operate. That's why even 1. Sustainable 1. Universal applicability 1. Eco-friendly 0. Compliance with government policy 0. Total is 3. Second project name is home automation using RF remote. These are parameters of this project. First is cost. Cost of components is 2,900. Training of cost is 3,000. Fabrication is 1,000. Survey is 0 because we do online survey. That's why given 0. Mentoring 0. Report preparation 0. Publication and presentation 1,000. PCB costing 500. Total is 4. Second is timely completion. Time to learn new technology 0. It takes so much time, that's why I'm given 0. Time for sourcing the components 1. External dependency 1. Time for sourcing tools 1. Time for survey field testing 1. Total is 5. This third is resource availability. Mentor availability 1 because we need available mentor, that's why we given 1. Literature availability 1. Components availability 1. Software hardware tools 0. Training is 1. Total is 4. Fourth is knowledge impact. Uh, STM32 RPI ARM 8051 PLC. This project we need 8051. That's why I'm given 1. Protocol implementation Wi-Fi Zigbee I2C SPI 0. App development Android 0. Interdisciplinary 0. Not need other fields. IoT, robotic, AL, ML, blockchain, imaging processing 0, total is 1. Fifth is social aspects, is in operation. This project is easy to operate, that's why given 1, sustainable 1, universal applicability 1, eco-friendly 0, compliance and government policy 0, total is 3. And the next slide is going to explain by Anu Singh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Anu Singh. Here I am explain third project air and sound pollution monitoring system. There are some parameters of this project. First is cost. Components is 5,400, training is 3,000, fabrication is 1,000, Survey is 0 because we will survey online. That's why given 0. Mentoring is 0. Report preparation is 3000. Publication and presentation is 1000. PCB costing is 500. Total 2. Second, timely completion. Time to new technology is 0. Time for sourcing the components is 0. External dependency is 1. Time for sourcing tools 1. Time for survey is 1. Total 3. Third, resource availability. Mentor availability is 1. Literature availability is 1. Components availability is 1. Software hardware tool is 0 because develop the app. That's why given 0. Training is 1. Total 4. Fourth, knowledge impact. STM32, ARM 8051, PLC is 0. Protocol Wi-Fi ZigBee I2C is 1. App development is 1. Interdisciplinary is 1. IoT, robotic, AL, ML, blockchain, image processing is 1. Total 4. Fifth, social aspect. Easy to operate uh, is 0. Sustainability is 1. Universal applicability is 1. Eco-friendly is 0. Com- Complain with government policy is 1. Total 3. Uh, Next project explain to Sahiba Sheikh.
Fourth project is Zigbee-based gas and fire detection. First is a cost. Total of cost is 13,200. We give 0 in survey because we are going to do survey online. We gave 0 in mentoring because we don't need it. And total is 3. Second, timely completion. First, time to learn new technology. We gave 0 because it takes time. So total is 4. Third, resource availability. We gave 0 in literature availability because we don't have proper information about this project. Total is 3. Fourth, knowledge impact. We gave 0 in interdisciplinary because there is no use of this project in other field. And total is 4. Fifth, social aspect is in operation. We give 0 because it's not easy to operate. Compliance with government policy, we give 0 because there is no need of any government policy, and total is 2. Fifth and last project is IoT based home automation, and first is a cost 10,500 is a total cost. We gave 0 in survey because we are going to do survey online. We gave 0 mentoring. We gave 0 in mentoring because we don't need it. In PCB costing we gave 0 because we don't need it. Total is 5. Timely completion. Time to learn new technology. We gave 0 because we are going to learn app development and it takes time. Total is 4. Third is resource availability. We gave 0 in software and hardware tools because we do not have available software. We are going to make it. Total is 4. Knowledge impact. In interdisciplinary we gave 0 because there is no use of this project in other field. Total is 3. Social aspect is um, compliant with government policy. We give 0 because there is no need of any government policy. Total is 3. Here is our final decision matrix table. According According to the matrix table, we will be going ahead with the IoT based home automation. Thank you.